Bojjhanga Sutta Sansari Sansarandana Sabba Dukkha Vinasane Satta Dhammi Cha Bojjhange Marasena Bamadane Bujhitva Yechi Me Satta Ti Bhava Mutta Gautama Ajadi Majara Vyadhin Amadan Nibhayangada. Having known by way of experience the 7 kinds of Dhamma called factors of enlightenment, which destroy all sufferings of beings who wander through this samsara, and which defeat the army of Mara, the evil one, these excellent persons were liberated from the 3 kinds of existence. They have reached Nibbana, where there is no rebirth, aging, disease, death, and danger. Ewa Madi Gunu Bedang Aneka Guna Sangahang Osadhanja Imam Mandang Bojjhangancha Bhanamahe Bojjhango Sati Sankhado Dhammanang Vijayo Tata Viriyam Piti Pasadhi Bojjhangacha Tata Pare Samadhu Bikha Bojjhanga Satiti Sabba Dasina Munina Sama Dakhada Bhavida Bahuli Kada Sanvadanti Abhinyaya Nibbanaya Cha Bodhiya Edina Satya Vajena Soti Te Hodu Sabada Eka Saming Samaye Natho Moggan Lananja Kasaban Gilani Dukhite Diswa Bojjhange Satta Desayi. Once when the Lord saw Moggallana and Kassapa being unwell and suffering, he preached the 7 factors of enlightenment. Teja Tang Abhinanditwa Roga Muchin Sutang Khane Edina Satya Vajena Soti Te Hodu Sabada Egada Dhamma Rajabi Kilanyena Bhipilido Jundathirena Tanyewa Bhana Bidwana Sadaram Samodidwana Abadha Dhamma Vuttasi Thanaso Edina Satya Vajena Soti Te Hodu Sabada Pahina Teja Abadha Teinam Nambi Mahesinam Magga Hada Kilesawa Padanupati Dhammadam Edina Satya Vajena Soti Te Hodu Sabada.